Hey guys, what's going on? This is Justin with Firehouse Cards. I'm going to do another vintage break this month. I'm going to do 1998 Top Stars football. This is Peyton Manning's rookie year, Randy Moss, Hines Ward, Charles Woodson. This box has autographs you can get of Walter Payton and a few other Hall of Famers. So there's a slim chance of getting a really expensive card. 24 packs, 6 cards per pack. Anyway, I figured I'd do another vintage break this month to make up for the 98 gold label. If you haven't watched that video, probably don't want to. All the cards were stuck together, so figured I'd do one more. I was going to save this one for next month, but just go ahead and do it. But in this stuff, every card is serial numbered, and names are different. You get bronze, silver, gold, red, rainbow, and a few different kinds. So we'll kind of learning as we go. It's been a while since I've opened this stuff, but yeah, you can see every card's numbered on the back, and the name at the bottom is what's going to be different on every card. So that's a Steaming Nair bronze, Drew Bledsoe red. You see the reds are numbered to 879, and that's a gold Kevin Dyson, numbered to 1999, and silver is numbered to 399 or 39.99. But this stuff is kind of condition sensitive. The corners are a lot of times nicked, and the edges are kind of rough. So we got a Charles Woodson bronze rookie. That's pretty good. Numbered to 8700. It's kind of funny saying that with the cards today. Greg Ellis. But yeah, the cards today are numbered, anything above 1,000 seems like a ton of them. But this stuff's actually hard to find in good condition PSA wise. So I'm hoping to pull a Peyton Manning and get it graded. Hopefully, there's a Fred Taylor rookie in bronze, number to 87.99. But yeah, a PSA 10 in this stuff is pretty hard to find. I think the population numbers for the Peyton Manning and Randy Moss rookies are really low. So with a lot of people trying to put together Peyton's rookie set, Ray Caruth, he is in prison. With everybody trying to put together Peyton's set, a lot of people are trying to do it in a 10. And so this card can get pretty expensive. So maybe we'll pull one or two. I think the only inserts in this stuff are the rookie reprints of the Hall of Famers, and you can get them unsigned and then signed. And I watched a video on YouTube last time, a couple of weeks ago, and someone pulled a Don Maynard autograph out of this stuff, so it's pretty good. Got another Fred Taylor, a red label, and a Jerome Bettis gold, number to 1999. But when this stuff came out, when it was new, I opened a ton of it. It was more affordable than some of the like Flair Showcase and Gold Label and stuff. So I picked up a bunch of this stuff, and that was when serial number cards were new. So this was kind of a gimmick, and we all thought it was really cool. Now it's just kind of everything's numbered. That's Andre Wadsworth rookie, silver. Like 1998 was probably the height of my collecting as a kid, and I can remember just getting tons and tons of rookies, but I never really pulled many Peyton Mannings for some reason. I don't think there were necessarily any more short printed than anything else. Jerry Rice bronze, Jeff Blake gold. But for some reason, I pulled a ton of Randy Moss rookies in '98, which was great. Back then, especially, he was on fire. But I never pulled many Peyton Mannings. I tried to open a ton of Fleer Ultra, trying to pull those short printed rookies, and they were tough. Mark Brunell gold. But if you haven't seen the video of the my 1998 Topps Gold break, that's a Brian Greasy rookie. Opened a box of '98 Topps Gold label, and got it from the Baseball Card Exchange along with this box. I guess I should have mentioned that. And they were all stuck together, heat damage, and I actually did pull a Peyton Manning rookie in gold label that was ruined. But anyway, so I figured I'd go ahead and open this box. Maybe get a Manning. Packs. Kind of tough. So, Bruce Smith gold. I'm looking for one of the rainbow names, or I think there's a ton of different stuff. I don't know if you can, that's gonna pick up or not, but there's like 7 or 8 different parallels of the cards: luminaries, supernovas, rainbow. All I'm seeing is gold, silver, and bronze, and red. Antoine Smith gold. Another Brian Greasy rookie. And we got Andre Wadsworth rookie in gold. Getting all the wrong rookies. But the cards are pretty cool. They're textured. I don't know if you can see the little lines. Curtis Enos gold. But the cards are kind of textured and have like a grid on the surface. So they're pretty neat cards. Deion Sanders. Getting down to the end. It's not looking good for the Manning rookie or the Randy Moss rookie. That'll be just my luck that I pulled the damaged Manning in the gold label and get blanked on this box. Keith Brookie. But you can't really go wrong with this '98 stuff. The rookie class is one of the best in the last 20 years. Tons of Hall of Famers are going to come out of it. And we got a Amon Green. I believe it's Amon Green's rookie. Yeah, it is. Silver. Oh, nice. Got another Charles Woodson in the red label. And silver Kevin Dyson. Alright, last pack. Let's see if we can get some last pack magic. I've had a rough time with these last few boxes. Oh, nice. Yes. Oh, man. Peyton Manning gold label. Wow, that's great. Number 2, 1999. Let's check out the corners. Looks pretty good. A little bit of wear on the top, but that is nice. Oh man, nothing like waiting to the last pack. Awesome. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll put this up tonight, and anyway, stay tuned. I'm gonna have more vintage breaks soon. See ya.